Welcome back to our YouTube channel here at ArmorTech. Today we have got a 2022 Can-Am Defender XMR. We're going to show you how to put our ArmorTech Cab assembly on. Before we get started, let's go over a couple tools we're going to need for the job. We'll begin with our front windshield to start things off. What you can expect in your box is our frame and windshield assembly, the bracket A, is our upper channel, and hardware bag 58, which contains our nuts, bolts, bungees, as well as bracket B is inside of 58. And there's bracket BR for right, BL for left. We'll go ahead and grab a partner and we'll put this on the machine. In hardware bag 58, we'll locate bracket B. This is BR for our right passenger side. And these will be our lower mounting brackets to affix the windshield to the frame. Also in bag 58, we'll find our 1/4 by 1 inch Phillips screw. And we'll stick it onto our bit here. And we'll go through the big hole into the little hole on the inside. We'll back this with a 1/4 inch flat and lock washers and a regular nut. And then we'll take another 1/4 by 1 inch bolt, come from the outside of the front into the upper portion of bracket B. And again, we'll back it with a flat and lock washer and a nut. We'll grab our impact with our P3 bit and a 7/16 wrench. We'll tighten the upper bolt first. And now the lower. Now we'll find bracket A, which is our upper channel. And as you can see, the 5 bolts holes will correspond to the 5 hole locations, and this will mount up into the top and will secure the top portion of the windshield. So we'll go ahead. In hardware bag 58, we'll find our 1/4 by 5/8 Phillips head screw. Come in from the outside of this corner hole and slide our channel on. And then we'll back it with a flat washer, a lock washer, and a nut. And now we'll tighten everything down. In our hardware bag 58, we'll have our short bungee cord with our clips that's going to hold it down, as well as our rubber bumpers, and we'll show you how to install this now. Okay, now we'll drill the plastic for our bungee hold down clip, and from the crack or the face right here, we're going to come 1 inch off of it roughly to stay out of this light. And we'll go ahead and take our drill and our 1/4 inch bit, and we'll go ahead and drill this hole. Now we'll push the clips onto our bungee cord and we'll squeeze these down as tight as possible. That will help with getting our bolts started. We'll go ahead and get our 1/4 by 5/8 screw started, and we'll reach under and back it up with a 1/4 inch flat washer as well as a 1/4 inch lock nut. Next we'll locate our rubber bumper out of bag 58, and we're going to through drill our hood here and mount that bumper, and that's going to allow the glass a safe place to rest. So again, with our 1/4 inch bit and our drill, we're going to drill it right there. I'll go ahead and make me a mark, and we're going to pop the hood loose and kind of get it up and away so we don't punch all the way through and get into something we don't need to get into. On hardware bag 58, we'll locate our number 10, about 1 inch long screw, as well as a flat washer. We'll go ahead and lift the hood and poke that up through the bottom. And our bumper, have a nut inserted, and we'll screw that down.
Yep.
Next in our cab assembly process will be our rear, which is our part number UC862. Inside the box you'll have our main body as well as a hardware bag, bag number 59. Before we get started, we'll show you where we drill out our rivets that hold in the back of the plastic, which will align these notches here in the bottom. Stock from the factory, there's pop rivets that hold this black plastic to the back of the ROP system. And we'll take a 13/64 drill bit and we'll drill the heads of those pop rivets out, and to where this will loosen up. The bottom portion of our rear will slide in this frame, hence the slots that are in the bottom of the lip. And we'll provide screws in our hardware bag to reattach this. We can go ahead and grab it, buddy, and put this on the machine. The top of this channel will loop over the bar, as well as the bottom, as I previously mentioned, will go in back behind the plastic. In bag 59, we provide a 6mm thread cutting screw, and we will replace these in the holes that the pop rivets once were that we drilled out earlier. And we'll just find the hole. We'll tighten this down, and we don't want to over tighten and protrude into the plastic too far. Just light snug is plenty of torque. So without the snorkel, normally we would use our screws all the way across. For models that does have the snorkel, such as this one, the XMR edition, we offer an 862 snorkel bushing kit, which will come with 5 of our long 2-inch thread cutter bolts with 5 5/8 bushings, and we'll stack the bushing behind the tab of the snorkel and then screw it into place so that it doesn't bind the plastic. We'll take our bushing, put it behind the tab, and our 2-inch thread cutter bolt. We'll tighten it down. Final step in our cab assembly is going to be our top, which is part number UC860. Inside we'll have our top body as well as 2 hardware bags, bag 38 and bag number 1. We'll go ahead and grab a partner and we'll get the top set on the unit. Alright, in hardware bag number 1, we've got 4 loop straps and 8 3/8 nuts. We'll just utilize one of the 3/8 nuts on the front 2 bolts, and you can see the alignment here. And then in the back, we'll take a loop strap and go over the corner pocket of the bar, push that up onto the nut, or to the stud, excuse me. And now in bag 38, we've got our custom loop strap and 2 bolts, a 1 inch by 1/4 and a 5/8 long 1/4 inch diameter. The stem of the loop strap will slide into a cutout slot in the top of our rear channel, And we'll go ahead and take our 1/4 by 1 inch screw and get it started in the hole of our upper channel and our top. Now we'll grab our impact with our 9/16 socket and we'll tighten the rest of everything down. Your ArmorTech Cab is now installed and we hope that you enjoy it on your next ride. Thanks for watching.